Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a Breville. There was some questions of the group gasket and the pressure. We made sure everything was nice and secure up there, readjusted the grind, and let's see, we've got a nice espresso grind coming out. We're going to tamp. Clean off those wings so the gasket can stay nice and clean under there. Get it all the way to the lock position. Double, and we're going to watch the gauge get right up. There you go. There's still room to go a little finer, but that looks like actually a good grind. Like I said, we were getting some false pressure with the portafilter not fitting right and the grind being a little coarse, and seems like we got it now. Anyway, thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.